Hey everybody, super excited. Today is the day that the 2021 Toyota Land Cruiser leaves us and goes to Sparks and Gears in Naples, Florida to get its complete makeover. We are now going to take this 2021 Land Cruiser and turn it into a 2021 Grand Cruiser. We're going to take it away from the soccer mom feel and make it into a more of an off-road capable vehicle. As you've been following our channel, we all talk about how capable this vehicle is, and this vehicle is by far one of the best SUVs out there. We're gonna be putting a ton of different parts on it and really making it reliable, safe, and off-road capable. So, follow us for more for all the updates, and we'll see you on the back roads of retirement.
Farm Truck Financial, we're riding with you down the back road steady.